because जो अंडा था, which is the 1 year of the India Fellowship, that anda has broken today. Congratulations, you're the alumni of India Fellow. अब जो चिड़िया है उसके उड़ने का टाइम आ गया है और as you know जो अंडा होता है, you know, I don't know, I keep comparing it to parenting because I can only think of my 4.5-year-old son, and I don't know, it's a bit like supporting anyone in their leadership journey is like, you know, to me is very similar to parenting or how I think parenting should be. You know, now that I've gone through it for a few years, I don't know how it is when they get this old parent, so please give me some, you know, some motivation. But I think it's one of those things where it's like a love and hate relationship, isn't it? It's from both sides, it's difficult, right? And I think it's like that because you feel that you have that short time with this person who you are sort of, you feel responsible for, this person you've been blessed with, and that person has come to you, and you have only this short time to work with them, to instill in them these values you think that are important for you, that you want them to, you know, I just feel now the time is so short and it's going so fast, and I feel maybe that's why the India Fellowship program, it's just 1 year, and in 1 year there is so much that we want to do, so much we want to tell you, so much we want to help you discover about yourself, that sometimes this, you know, this love and hate relationship is what makes it what it is, right? It's like this intense 1 year chamber you're in, right? And then after that you're free to fly. And I think that's how I can best understand Anupama and Rahul's experience in doing this with you. And I feel they are the ones who spend day in and day out with you in this 1 year. And I can only guess how that is. That, you know, it's that feeling of, you know, you want to let go, but you also want to not let go. And then, but at the same time, I mean, it's a lot of fun, but it's a lot of pain. But it's one of those pleasures, you know. It's like when my son finally starts saying, when I give him a glass of water, he says, "Thank you, Mama." And you know, I feel so happy that he's not saying thank you because I'm telling him to say thank you. Oh, if you don't say thank you, you're a bad boy. He's saying thank you because he feels he should say thank you. And at that moment, I feel, okay, kuch to sahi kiya hoga. You know, and I feel, that's why I feel, I mean, why I'm associated with India Fellow is frankly because, I mean, Rahul is, you know, you can spend hours with him in a coffee shop and you will never get bored. And when we started having these conversations, you know, he was so clear in his head about what he wanted this fellowship to be in terms of, you know, the values that were important for the fellowship and what is the purpose of the fellowship. You know, I mean, design elements and all were there, that was worked out later, but the purpose was so clear, and that's why I love the team, because the whole fellowship program is so purposeful, I feel. You know, they are so attached to the final goal of the fellowship. You know, so everything else is up for grabs. You know, like, you know, other things can change, but the purpose of the fellowship and the values of the fellowship is what makes it what it is. And I think around the way he found a partner in crime, the best partner he could find. If Rahul is a big visionary, Anupama is the one that makes it happen. Her attention to detail is, I don't think, I've never met anybody who has such attention to detail that she has, who loves Excel sheets and this is the way she does. But I think it was just the perfect blend of the skills and the love and the passion that was needed to make this fellowship what it is. And it's just so powerful because it's pure love. It's so authentic, it's so genuine. It's not just another program. It's not just another social sector program that is out there. It's their love, it's their blood and sweat, and I think that's what makes it so special. Yeah. So what I would like to inspire you or leave you with is this one line, okay, which I read. I want you to repeat this after. This is for the fellows, but even anybody else who wants to repeat it. Okay. I live a deliberate life.
I live a deliberate life.
Motivated by my need.
Motivated by my need.
For meaning and purpose.
For meaning and purpose.
In everything I do.
In everything I do.
Yeah. So at the end of the day, it doesn't matter what you do when you go outside. You may join a corporate, you may continue where you are, you may want to take a few months off and just figure out what you want to do. It doesn't matter. As long as you know why you're doing what you're doing. right? So that purpose, that question nobody else can answer for you. Not your parents, not your friends, not Anupama, not Rahul, not anybody else but you. So whatever you're doing at any point of time, just know why you're doing it. And then that will help you there.